Hyperstack's GPU cloud never stands still. As open source models grow larger every month, they all find a home here. Every new giant deployed within days. The newest? Moonshot's Kimi K3, 2.8 trillion parameters, only 104 billion active per token, almost 3 times what one node can hold. So on Hyperstack, it's a template. 32 H100s across 4 nodes, running as one engine. Inside each GPU, 4-bit weights fill the memory, and 28 of its 896 experts live on every card. And Kimi K3 is more than scale, reasoning you can dial, a 1 million token context, parallel tool calls, all behind one endpoint on Hyperstack. One command, and the cluster comes alive, and builders are already shipping the complex stuff. Designing silicon chips, simulating game physics, rendering black holes, launching full SaaS products, all on Kimi K3. From checkpoint to live endpoint in minutes, head over to console.hyperstack.cloud and start deploying Kimi K3 today.